Hi guys, it's Steffi from the Novelty Corner and I am back with this week's Plan With Me video. This week is for the week of May the 23rd to the 29th and I'm going to be using these gorgeous watercolour stickers from Violet LeBeau. I've used her stickers in many layouts previously, but I've had this set for a little while and I've been holding on to it until we really kick off into our autumn cooler weather. So very excited to use it today. So along with the sticker set, I'm going to be using, actually I might pop it down so it's easier to see. This is a stamp set by Ali Edwards. It was one of the, I think it was the second stamp kit that she released. I have a whole bunch of washi tapes sort of in the colours of the stickers. So we'll see how I go with which ones I end up using. And I'm using my inserts, which are available in my Etsy store. So all of the info for all of these items will be listed down below in the description bar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment with what you think or suggestions for future layouts. I now have a list of future layouts to choose from, which is pretty exciting because I went through all of my stickers and bits and pieces and actually made a list. So I'm happy to add to it. But thank you very much for watching. I'm going to start decorating now. See you in my next video, guys. Bye!